Okay.
Okay, this is Gloria Alexander from the Gospel Train Connection, and I am so pleased to be here with Dr. Bobby Jones. Oh my God, I need to get over it first. And we're here at the I Get Music Conference. And Dr. Jones, how are you enjoying the conference?
Well, I just got here. So far, I met people like you, and I'm very excited about that.
Okay.
And went to a couple of the sessions, and it was very good.
Okay, all right. Now, you know, you spoke at the workshop I was at about longevity. What do you contribute that longevity to?
Lord, it takes a lot of prayer, it takes a lot of discipline, it takes a lot of desire. You just got to be in everything that you need to do about your business. You got to learn about it, and you got to stay current.
Dr. Bobby Jones is a living legend. Do you all agree? And he has single-handedly ushered more people into the gospel music industry than anybody I know. And he's just an awesome man of God. He's present in taking gospel music to mainstream airways via cable television. He's been a mainstay and a creative force behind the most unique and original music gospel. And he is a personal friend of mine. When I first started working in the music industry, I don't want to date myself, but let's just say many years ago, he was one of the first people that I met. I was at War Memorial, and I had an artist with me by the name of Kirk Franklin and God's Property. And Dr. Jones was so kind to us. I really didn't know a lot about how to navigate my way through things then. I came in with a pretty large group, and we were just starting out. But Dr. Jones took us, put us on television. He worked very closely with my boss at the time, Vicki McLatiad. And from that day to now, Dr. Jones and I have remained friends.